Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where today I'm going to show you how you can make money with WarriorPlus, getting those $100 a day. How you can make $100 a day using affiliate marketing. Now, that's better. For those of you that know me, don't know me, I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. I've been an affiliate marketer for around 13 months, so I'm new to it. I work full time. I work about 60, 70 hours a week, every single week, and I do affiliate marketing on the side. Why? I like doing it. I like helping people, and I like to make money, obviously. And I'm in a position now where I'm starting to regularly make money, which is really good. And the reason I'm doing that is because I take action, right? And I get things done. Now, I get emails every single day from people saying, Bobby, how do we get started? What do I need? What platform do I go to? And most importantly, how do I get access to products that vendors bring out without paying for them? Obviously, I'm fortunate. I don't pay for any products. I get the vendors send them to me, and then I test them out and I do a review on them, and we both make money. And you can do that too if you know how. All right, it's not easy to get started, I'll be honest with you, but it's doable if you follow what I do. All right, so let's jump down here. So in this video today, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. I'm going to show you the site you need to go to, what you do, how to sign up to it, and how much money you can earn. I'll show you my account. All right, I'll show you everything you need to know to make money in affiliate marketing. Now, before I get on with that, guys, can you do me a massive favor and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. That way you get to see my latest products first, you get to try them out, and you get to make money first. And I want you to be part of my tribe. I want you to see everything I do because I am here to help you earn money. Now, the other thing I'm doing is if you look at the comments below, there's a little section here that says get my free training. Click that, guys, and you get some free training. I give you 7 videos that I've put together, all about how I got started in affiliate marketing, and you can do it too. Just follow the videos, super easy. It's free, 100% free. Have a look at them, watch them, take action. All right. So let's just jump in to where we need to be. So guys, this is WarriorPlus. This is WarriorPlus.com. Now this is probably the biggest platform out there for affiliate marketing. Okay, it's brilliant. It's the only one I use. There are others, JVZoo. I only use WarriorPlus because the customer service is brilliant. It's easy to list stuff and it gets the most traffic. So basically, vendors put their products for sale on here. So we've got all these on here. These are the top 10. You can look at the top 25. And this is changes daily. All right. This changes daily. So first thing you want to do is sign up. So this is me, Bobby D Online Marketing. The first thing you want to do is sign up. Now, while we're here, let me just show you something. So today's the 13th of October. I'm very open and transparent about what I do, guys. Let's have a look at my account. So it's now 8 o'clock in the morning in the UK, so that's just reset. I made $85 yesterday, not too much. $217 in the last 7 days, again, not too much. But I've made $2,000, nearly $100 in the last month. That's a lot of money. Bear in mind, I do this part-time. That's on top of my wages that I get paid full-time. This money here pays for all my luxuries, and I'm so fortunate to be in this position, and I'm very grateful for it. Okay, so what you do is you go sign up with your account, just confirm the email, super simple. You then can go to affiliate and offers, and these are all the offers that you can request to affiliate, and that means you can request to sell them. For every one you sell, you make money. Now, some important things to look at here, okay? So launch date, name of the product, launch date, how many sales it's done up so far. So the first thing you want to do is look at the launch date. So that was launched on the 7th of the 10th, 2 weeks ago. It's done 2,000 sales. That's really, really good. Okay, I actually didn't do that one. I've done this one though, Rapid Pro X. 2,000 sales, launched on the 4th. Conversion rate. Now this needs to be on average 10% or above. Visitor value, that needs to be $1 or above, ideally. Okay, and the other thing you want to look at is refund rate. So this one here Conversion rate, I want it to be 10% or above. It's 32%. That means it converts, it sells. Visitor value, on average, each visitor spends $15, right? If it's, I'm only looking for $1. So that is way above what I want. And the refund rate is 2%. I look at that. Anything 5% or below, I'd probably look at selling it. 2% is a no-brainer. That is, in fact, I haven't promoted this one actually. I'm now looking at it. That is a no-brainer. Okay. So find a product you want to sell, and you hit the request button, and then you do request approval. And what you would do is different for me because I've got sales history. I basically get access to everything straight away. You would write in here, hi, I have seen your offer and would love to affiliate it. I am new to affiliate marketing. But have started to build a list. I have a YouTube channel. And will send quality traffic to this offer. Okay. I can't even spell today. Traffic to this offer. Something like that. Now, the other thing you can do is, obviously I'm not going to do that because I've got it already. Find out who's doing this. So Mosh is probably one of the biggest sellers on here. Go to his Facebook page, type in Mosh Barry, get his Skype, and you can hit him up on Skype. Now, what I would do if you're a newbie, and I mean this, is just get your phone out like this. Get your phone and make a video. Make a video like this and say, hi Mosh, my name's Bobby D. I'm new to affiliate marketing. I really like your product. I see it converts really well and I would love to promote it. Can I have permission, please? Although I'm new, I'm starting to build a list. I'm learning loads about YouTube. I've got a YouTube channel and I really, really want to do this, and I will send you some quality traffic, and I'd really appreciate the chance if you could do it. Make a video, something like that, and whack that to whoever the vendor is, all right? That way they know you're serious. They know you're serious. And I'll tell you now, every one of those personal videos that I get, I authorize, all right? Every one. So let's go back to offers. So you know what you're looking for now. You're looking for sales. You're looking for conversion rate. You're looking for visitor value. So sales, as many as possible. Conversion rate, 10% or above. Visitor value, $1 or above, all right? That is what you are looking for to affiliate a product. Now, there's loads of other bits that go with it, okay? How are you going to get traffic to it? You need to offer bonuses. And I've got other videos. There's a link below to another video all about bonuses that I've done. That is well worth putting these two together, okay? But in a nutshell, that is WarriorPlus. It's really, really simple to use. And there are hundreds of offers that convert, guys. There really, really are hundreds of offers. Now, does affiliate marketing work? Yes, it does. You can make some serious, serious money here. Let me just jot that down. So this is my vendor account, all time. So it's about 13 months there. And I've done £61,638.56 in vendor sales. 13 months ago, I hadn't made a single dollar. So for people that say to me, it doesn't work, I can't do it, you can do it. I done it. I work full time. I do this on the side, and I've made some serious money. All right. I mean, my own product there, Fiverr, I've done 2,141 sales of it. I mean, that is insane. You know, that's a product I put together myself. I made it myself, and I've done 2,141 copies. That is phenomenal. So if I can do it, guys, you can do it too. Now, there's another platform to have a quick look at. This is called muncheye.com, and this doesn't, you can't sell on here, but this shows you what's coming up. So what I would do, I go through this at the beginning of the month, and I look who's good. Like Paul Nichols has got one coming out tomorrow. Paul sells really well. And you can have a look here. You go to his JV page, and this tells you all about what it is, okay? You can make £400 per sale. It's a method that works. The front end's $11.95. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 OTOs, and there's a contest. You know, you can win first place 600, second place 100. The main contest is 900, and then you've got more prizes of 7, 150, and 50. Really good. So you can see what's coming out on Muncheye. I use this all the time. All the time to look at what's coming out, and then you can pick your offers and get started. Now, what you will find, let's just go back to offers. When a product is launched and you're a newbie, you won't get access to it, very rarely, right? Because they only want people who are going to sell their products. But when the launch is over, it's normally a 5-day launch, that's when you get your access, okay? That's when you can start asking for access. And it doesn't matter that the launch is over. Sometimes I sell things from 6 months ago. So I'll just show you another quick little trick here. So these are some of the sales that I've made here. Where is it? So Profit Rain here. So this is by a guy called Vicky Babe. You know, I've done 80 of these, but I've only made £443, which isn't a lot. Now, the reason I've started promoting this, and this is ideal if you're a newbie, is go to Profit Rain. In fact, let's have a quick look at it live. Let's go to affiliate offers. So we'll go to Profit Rain. Now, Mark, who is Vicky Babe, was doing this for $2. All right. Now, if you've got limited sales history on WarriorPlus, and the only way you're going to get sales and free products is by getting your sales history up. If you've only got a limited history, okay, you need to get your sales up. And a great way of doing that is by doing one of these low offers, okay? Now, I sent this out. In fact, I put this on Facebook saying, great offer, usually whatever it was, $12.95, today only $2. But just from my Facebook, I sold about 50 copies. And that gets your, when an affiliate looks at your stats on WarriorPlus, it shows, God, he's done 50 copies already. Because a lot of people will buy a $2 product because it's $2. And my internet's super slow. Okay, so we just typed in Vicky Babe here. Where is it? I can't remember what it's called now. I think it was that far back. Anyway, it's a $2 product, and you know, for $2, people will buy it, and that gets your sales up, and it's just a great way of doing it. All right, and it's a way I highly recommend it, and I teach people who are on my little group I'm in, my mentorship. That is one way of doing it. So that is how to use WarriorPlus, guys. It's really easy. It's really simple. There's tons of money to be made in it, and you can do it just as much as I did. So thanks for listening. I'm Bobby D.